Hi! In front of me is Nokia T20 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to locate calendar and click on it. It should be over here. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It and tap on the date that you wish to set up, like that one. Now you need to click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner as well, choose event and customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting hour, ending 1, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on the sweater next to all day. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, for example, take notes and some other things. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon over here, making your changes and tapping on save again. But you can also delete it by clicking on it, this time though selecting those 3 dots at the top right corner, clicking on delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!